Are you looking for a satisfying lunch that actually keeps you full all day? Today, we are diving deep into why the humble chickpea is the ultimate protein-packed secret for staying energized and healthy. Let's start with the basics. Unlike many salads that rely solely on leafy greens which can leave you hungry quickly, this dish is built around hearty legumes. These crunchy veggies combined with a zesty lime dressing create a bold flavor profile while providing the dense nutrients your body needs. The nutritional science here is fascinating because chickpeas are packed with both plant-based protein and healthy fats. This specific combination is what triggers satiety signals in your brain, effectively keeping you full for the entire day without needing a second snack. Beyond just filling you up, this meal is a budget-friendly miracle that transforms your health. You get better digestion from the fiber and improved heart health markers, making it far more than just a simple side dish or a quick lunch option. Think about versatility for your meal planning. This creamy and flavorful salad can easily be adapted. You can turn it into a satisfying wrap, stuff it into a sandwich, or serve it as the star of a light lunch, packed with over 20 grams of protein per serving. It's also an excellent way to introduce variety into your diet without sacrificing taste or nutrition. Whether you mix in mozzarella pearls for a caprese twist or stick to fresh tomatoes and basil, every version is a wholesome delight that feels good. To summarize, this isn't just a salad, it is a complete, feel-good meal in a bowl. By choosing protein-packed ingredients like chickpeas over low-nutrient fillers, you ensure every bite contributes to your long-term health and energy levels. So there you have it, the ultimate guide to boosting your protein intake with a simple salad. What is your favorite way to eat chickpeas? Share your creative recipes and meal prep ideas in the comments below.